Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku hourly analysis for the SP 500 for Wednesday, September the 22nd, 2010. Well, an interesting trading day today, and it may be a fairly significant day. Today we had the market open on an indecisive type candle in the first hour, a green bodied candle, but an indecisive candle, spinning top type candle. That led to a change of trend to the downside, with the candle in the second hour showing a lower high and a lower low, with the market trending down and testing support down around the 1132 region. We can see here that we had buying coming in around this area, and we can see the shadows on these two candles here, with that represents buying coming in, upside price rejection. So that area at 1132 will be significant for this market over the next trading day or so if the trend is going to continue down. The market then attempted to trade up. We did have a change of trend. We actually had this pattern here is a Japanese candlestick reversal pattern. It's a tweezer's bottom. And a tweezer's bottom doesn't need to be two candles that are immediately next to each other. There can be a candle or so in between, and that's exactly what happened there. It's a similar concept to a double bottom, and that's where the two lows are roughly within the same region. So we did have that change of trend, but that was immediately followed by a bearish candle for the last trading hour. So even though the trend was up, we have a potential for a change of trend, and we have a bearish engulfing type pattern for this last hour, although it actually isn't a reversal, because we really don't have much of a trend to reverse. We've only had a one candle trend, so there isn't really any trend to reverse, but the implications of a large red body candle completely engulfing the previous candle may be quite serious for this market. To the upside, if the trend does continue up to the upside, then obviously we do have potential resistance at this highlighted area, which is around roughly 1137. And we can see that the market found support there previously, 3 or 4 candles, where we had very long shadows on the bottom of these previous candles and buying coming in. That's obviously failed to hold, and here on the last candle the market has sold off from that region. So there is potential for the market to continue to find resistance at that level, roughly around 1137, if the market does open around those levels. Now obviously if the market opens up above there and the market's bullish, then we may see the market rally and potentially trade up to around the 1148, and above there I think resistance was around 1151 or 1150. But we do have the Tenkan-sen trading at around 1140, 1141, so that may offer resistance for the market if it does trade up. To the downside though, obviously the 1132 region will provide or has potential to provide strong support, and down below there we had another area just below 1130 to 1129 that may offer potential support to the market as well. Now the market is trading up above the cloud or the Kuma, and it has been for quite some time, so the market still remains bullish in overall big picture terms. However, we have had quite a dramatic change with the other Ichimoku indicators. We are trading down below the Tenkan-sen, and that means that we do have a negative market in the short-term time frame, and we have seen that previously. But significantly, the market is also trading down below the Kijun-sen, and it's been quite some time since this market was trading below the Kijun-sen, and that's telling us that the market is bearish in the medium-term time frame. Now, the last time that we were trading down below the Kijun-sen was before the 1st of September. So for the past 3 weeks or so, the market has been bullish in the medium-term time frame, so that may be fairly significant for this market. Obviously, what we need to do, though, is watch these areas of support. The 1132 region initially, then this area around 1130 to 1129. Now, down below there, we do have the cloud offering very strong support as well. So if this market does sell off and test the support areas at around 1132, 1129. There is also this very big area where we may find support all the way down to roughly 1112, 1110. So there is good support down below if the market does come off. If the market does trade to the upside, once again, we did suggest potential resistance at the Tenkan-sen at around 1140, and then certainly up to around the 1150 or so region.